Hello everybody, Mark Warman here from Graveyard Carz with Alyssa Marie Rose and Emma Marie Rose. Now, this announcement that we're doing right now is about our YouTube channel. We've had one for quite a while, but recently we've dedicated our time, our resources into really building a robust channel that you can subscribe to.
You personally?
DL did.
Okay.
Yeah, the fat guy holding the camera. Show him how fat.
Our awesome production company, The Division.
Yeah.
They do an amazing job.
Yeah, I started it. Anyway, let's see, the first Saturday of every month, we're going to be releasing a complete episode of Graveyard Carz on our YouTube channel. So you'll be able to go in there. For example, this coming Saturday, the first episode, season 1, episode 1, Emma's car, the 1970 Dodge Super Bee Panther pink automatic car that we found for little Emma. That's the episode that's going to be up. Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays of every week, we are going to be adding new content, all kinds of content. Some will be clips from the shows, other things.
Behind the scenes, teasers,
yep.
Deleted scenes.
Stuff that I'm hopefully going to start working on very shortly, which is called Metal Minutes, Graveyard Carz Metal Minutes. Give you guys some tips on how to do certain panel replacement or panel repair. I'm happy to help with that. It'll be one of those things you'll have to subscribe to the...
If there's something you guys want to see,
yeah,
specifically, let us know in the comments. And
yeah, go in the
comments. That's something we can highlight in one of our YouTube videos.
Okay.
We've talked the whole time.
Go ahead.
Ugh.
So if they have what now? Tell them again.
Okay, so the first Saturday of every month, we're going to be opening the Graveyard Vault. And it's called Graveyard Classics. So we're going to be starting with season 1, episode 1, Emma's car.
S1,
and
F1.
That one is airing this Saturday because that is the first Saturday of August.
It's going up. It's going up on our YouTube channel Saturday. So be sure to check it out. Leave your comments. Again, we'll be posting other things like the Metal Minutes. And when we do, you can say,
well, that's on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So you guys got something to look forward to every week, 3 days a week. Right. And then that Saturday, that wild Saturday there.
All I was going to say is if you would like to know how to install an outer wheelhouse on your 1970 Challenger, then you need to write that and tell me. We have every car in the world here. Every particular model of Mopar from 68 to 71 we have.
What are some things we won't be highlighting? Because we've done it a million times. So like engines and rear end installations.
We'll highlight anything on our YouTube channel that somebody has a request for.
Oh my God.
That's what we're going to do. Our whole
job. 3 million fans.
Well, it's going to take time.
Everything?
I don't think we'll have 3 million. If we have 3 million subscribers to YouTube, I get to retire, right?
Sure.
Okay.
Do I get to retire?
No. Emma, what would you like to say?
Nothing.
You've said it all, Dad.
What did you think about the first episode? Do you know how old you were when you were in that episode?
2 months.
1 month.
1 month old. 1 month old. You were the baby. That was back with Squat, Dump, and Flush that used to work for me. Anyway, thank you everybody for watching this. Be sure to go over to YouTube, look for the official Graveyard Carz channel, and subscribe. We're also something else you didn't know. We're having giveaways too.
I don't know.
Now, when did you plan on once a week, once a month giveaways?
We're still in the talks about that.
So we're in discussions about Graveyard Carz giveaways. You'll have to subscribe to be able to compete with it. Well, no.
About giving away free stuff? I know you are.
We have great sponsors. All of our sponsors are awesome people. And they, one of the favorite things that they like to do is to help other people. Every single one. I don't know why you're laughing nervous. That's what that's what one of the musketeers used to do.
In fact, we're looking at a giveaway for that first episode.
You're here
giveaway
to help
for
us.
that first
we
episode.
Believe that.
I'm here to help you in any way I can. You believe that, don't you? That I'm here to help you in any way I can. That's not from David Brown.
It doesn't matter.
Okay. That's it, everybody. Thanks for watching. Who's the creep with the camera back there?
We'll see you guys Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and the first Saturday of every month.
Oh, will you be tuning in and chatting with them on Saturday when the episode
I will not. I won't have time to do that right away. I won't. But eventually, when things slow down in the winter, I'm sure we can dedicate some Saturdays to live interactions. I think that'd be a great thing.
You love it.
I don't love it. I just do my job. No, I'm not the one that chases all over the country to see people look at me.
Do I?
She wants to go to every show in the world, and then she says she doesn't want it.
But when she gets there, you make me go.
Then when she gets there,
it's gonna be great. You guys gotta hear. I drove with you to Little Creek.
5-hour drive. 5-hour drive.
10 hours.
And then we get there, and she runs up to her motel rooms and puts on a piece of dental floss for a top.
Here we go.
My friend gave it to me, so her knockers are all hanging out stupid, and it's just
like a turn. I was not even what I was talking about. We gotta talk about. We got it on podcast. We gotta do a podcast, and we gotta talk about that drive.
So I'd like to know
Audiobook.
when is that
Don't
car?
you
When is
swat
Emma's
me.
car going to actually be done?
Do we have Emma's car?
Emma's car's in storage up in Salem.
Wow.
I just haven't had a chance to look at it yet.
I mean, she's 8 years old. I mean, it's going to come up soon, huh?
I think we're doing fine. It'll take me 2 weeks to restore the car. On her 16th birthday, she'll be driving an FM3 Panther Pink 1970 Super B. That's how you're going to get your driver's
Cool. I'm
license on your
jealous.
birthday.
You got me a Craigslist.
Because you didn't care to get your driver's
POS.
license on your birthday.
I did. I got it on my birthday and I showed up.
On your 23rd birthday?
No, on my actual 16th.
Okay, I got
I'm
mine
telling
on my
Mom.
16th
Well,
birthday.
I'm telling
You
Mom.
in the episode, you said, "What if she doesn't like pink?" So does she like pink?
Pink, get
You like
the
pink?
color for to be.
Kind of.
A pink.
I like pink. I'll take it.
What's the other word?
Oh, God. All right, guys.
Eastbound and down, loaded up in trucking. I got to do what they say can't be done. Got a long way to go and a short time to get there.
Come on, Ems.
Where'd she go?
Your mother went that way. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Be cool. Hey, everybody, Mark here from Graveyard Carz. I can't put the top up until you hit subscribe. So I'm begging you. Hit subscribe.